Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we will be learning how to enable Face ID on MetaMask. First of all, open the MetaMask application and go ahead and log into your account. Make sure that you are using the updated version of MetaMask. And now from the home page, click on Settings at the bottom right corner. Inside the Settings menu, click on Security and Privacy. Under Security and Privacy, scroll all the way down and toggle on the button right next to Unlock with Face ID. Now enter your password for your MetaMask wallet to proceed, and then in the pop-up that says, do you want to allow MetaMask to use Face ID, click on Allow. Now, soon after you do that, you'll be able to enable Face ID on MetaMask. Now you can close the app and reopen it. And MetaMask should now prompt you to authenticate using Face ID. Once recognized, you can access your wallet without having to type in your password. So that's how you successfully enable Face ID on MetaMask, quick and easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.